breast milk, but I know it's not the good stuff from mommy, right? It's not, but that's good. Excellent. So she took it.
Yeah.
Good girl. All right, now the bad stuff, the painful one. Okay.
So we can get bit off push figure.
Okay.
Like that.
Let's see. So we're gonna give
Okay,
the
okay,
combined
baby,
one on her left
Boy, no push
eye.
it like on one.
And then 2 on her right thigh. So this is the combined one. Has the tetanus, the polio, and have B in one.
So
3 in
it's
1
three
combo.
now.
3 in 1. Yeah, 3 vaccines in one shot. Okay.
I know.
Good job, Jay. Good job,
We
sweetie.
got 2 more to go.
2 more, my love. 2 more. I'm sorry, my love.
Okay.
This is the
There we
hip.
go.
Okay, Mama, it's okay.
And one last one, Jay. And the pneumococcus. One last one, my love. Okay. I got you. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm sorry, my little one. My love. Okay. Mommy will pick you up. Mom will pick you up.
Hopefully you don't have a fever.
Hopefully. So just once you get home, just get some
The cold thing.
compress, okay? And then hopefully it will help, at least alleviate the inflammation. She's
Oh.
doing great, guys. Whatever you guys are
Keep doing
so
it.
well. Maybe you do FaceTime and here you say, oh, it's getting chunky, it's getting big. Right? I know they would like to see that, right?
Okay.
So after today,
Thank you.
Jane will come back in February.
Right.
So after February 7.
Okay.
So that'll be the next visit. So it's be every 2 months from now on. So she comes back for 4-month wow, then 6-month wow, and
Okay.
after that 9 months, 12 months. So after 6 months, every 3 months. Okay. So hopefully I don't need to see you for any illness or anything. Just stay away from sick people. Okay.
Okay.
Always wash hands because some individual or stay away from sick one because I worry about RSV.
And the baby got the sickness too because I was sick.
You sick?
I was sick, yeah.
Okay. So
I got the cold.
the breast milk will always protect the baby against all this nasty stuff because you always constantly giving the baby antibodies. Okay. So that's from the blood. All right. So just that. So use your best judgment. If you know that the area is sick with people, don't go in that area.
Okay.
Okay. Just try to
That's why it's better
just be
to stay home.
conservative. Yeah. Stay conservative because I worry about that RSV infection that can cause wheezing to infant. Keep that in mind. All right.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank
To
you.
both of you.
too.
Okay. I'll see you guys in 2 months.
Okay.
Alright, she's so great. Weight gain is excellent. So happy. So happy.
Okay. Let's dress her so we can go home. Yeah, baby girl. You got 3 shots, girl. I know. You got 3 shots. How about 3 piqûres, man? 3, oui. On peut 3 piqûres. Hein? Tell mommy, be careful. I don't want to cry. Look at me. You got bandit all over me. Huh? Kitty. It's beautiful. Oh, be careful, right? Eileen.
First shot.
Then you have to mettre my glasses for you.
Ah, ba glasi pasi kote l mesye.
Hey, protège.
Eh, maman?
Il est oublié s'il veut chat, oui. Il est jeune à jouer.
Vous connaissez pas senti? Il a commencé pour avoir
C'est gay. That's my girl. Elle commence à enfler à la femme. Jaylee.
Ou pa ba li masaj.
Oui, papa là, pour tout ça, on a bien pour tousser. On va tousser bien fier, seulement qu'à baler un petit Tylenol. No Motrin, no none of that. I told you, nous va mettre des balles médicaments.
E pou tan Haiti, yo tap chaje ti moun nan medikaman.
Tete pour baler. Tout ça, il y a besoin de tete.
On balay de tout, maman je. On fait une dérange de tout, maman. Eh.
Hey, baby girl. That girl, hein? You go shot?
C'est Pita, dans son dos. C'est la société comme si vous bloquez Pita. Pour ne pas.
E fil la.
Oui.
Kabal blom. El enfle. Kabal fiel. See. Jadi di mami nou la nou kite dokter abam tout piki sa yo. It's for your own good. Okay, on fait photo.
Nous disons, on va envoyer photo pareil.
Fais la main tête là comme ça. Ben, nak camper là, Jeline, ça ouais. Vous finissez avec?
Depois photo da maman me diz, mais tu pas fait si cool comme ça. Moi j'ai droite.
Vous finissez avec?
Yeah,
La
maman
casse.
c'est la casse. Maman tu chaque fois que
Jeline. Makan dia lah machine dia kan. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
Say bye. Say hi people.
Get it. Okay. La fi son jel bagay pied, le va de mettre le top sous pied. C'est bon, good temps d'attendre, puisque des semaines je vais regarder ça aussi.
On peut faire un jeu.
On doit le faire lui.
Vous avez parlé de la vie. Vous connaissez ça passer sur le côté de Pékin?
Vite la chita la calle là, on peut démonter marché.
I know, mom. You can say okay.
I got it. Bon? Informal? Pour te lâcher? Il est.
Non, lâchez ça, comme si on l'a un petit à l'île descend. Ok? You okay?
Oui, ma lâcher le bliss. Ok. Oui, chien. Allez, go boule tête on de casser le chien.
C'est une bague à petit monde. Un an, ma chérie, je pour ça rouler.
Non, flibage ça faut dormir, pas faut crier. Hein? Non, plus faut dormir, pas faut crier, pas vrai? Alright, then let's go.